So today we're going to make a savory tapioca, or also known as Sabudana Khichdi in India. So the first thing is to drain the tapioca pearls. They've been soaking for about 90 minutes. They could soak up to 24 hours depending on how chewy you want them. And here we're adding the ground peanuts and the jalapeno. You could also use Thai chilies, some ground cumin, and date sugar. Unfortunately, date sugar is kind of clumpy, or can be. So here we're forcing it through a filter to get it turn it back into a powder. And we're mixing it, and then and some salt, light salt, and this is frozen ginger and frozen lemon juice, which is now not frozen. And then we're adding all this stuff together. And the idea here is that um, we're mixing it together so that all these ingredients prevent the individual tapioca pearls from sticking together. So when they cook, they're still going to be able to slide past each other, and they won't merge into a giant blob of tapioca. So it's kind of more fun if they're individual. And then we're throwing it in the microwave. The idea here is to heat it up enough so that the tapioca is steamed. And now we're prepping the some toppings, cilantro, and then the potatoes go on top as well. And then you mix those around, and it's ready to serve and eat. And unfortunately, yeah, it's really good. And so yeah, you have to make more.
Oh.